Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms, and today I've got the engine back in. Actually tonight, because it took from about 11 o'clock this morning to about 5:45 to get it in. I don't have the right tools. I don't have a cherry picker. I don't have an engine hoist here at the house, although I've been thinking about getting an engine hoist and putting it in here. But regardless, because of that, you kind of have to get creative. And I did get creative. And so I've got the engine back in, but it took a while. So let's take a look around, okay?
Well, here it is. It is by no means done or ready to be started, but it's in there. Oh man, what a trip. It was a lot of work, guys. You know, I used to have a cherry picker and an engine hoist and gosh, an engine stand for rebuilding. I got rid of all that stuff when I moved up here. I was kind of retiring from this whole mess. Anyway, obviously still got a few jobs left in me. I don't know how well you can see down in the hole there, but new timing belt tensioner, new seals, new belts. Got the air pump hooked up. All new fuel lines, new fuel filter. Got new spark plugs waiting for it. Got to install the distributor, got to install the fuel pump, got to install the starter, got to install all the cables, but it's in there. We've got about 10,000 vacuum lines I've got to figure out. So there it is, Yugo part, I don't know what part we're at, but been working at it for about a month and a half now, and it gets closer. So the engine is in. Now let's take a look at the inside. Okay, the inside. And it's looking more car-like again, isn't it? Got the front seats in, they've been cleaned. Came out pretty good. I've still got to do a little bit of work on the vinyl. That's about as good as these seats are going to get. And then we've got our new floor mats. Again, I've got a few stains left to clean out. Most of them cleaned up pretty nicely. But the dash is reinstalled. Got the steering wheel back on, the speedometer, odometer, the cluster, all that's back in there. Got my new radio installed. I've still got to paint these door panels, so I haven't taken them off because I'm having a heck of a time trying to get the right matching paint. But I've got one off, and the rest of them, I've got all the parts to take them off, clean all the window tracks, stuff like that. So that's what's going on there. And because of that, well, that's why I haven't installed the rear carpet or the rear seat, because I've got to get those two panels off. Still have to do some work on the seat belt on this side too. But overall, it's starting to take hold. And one more thing I'll show you, and then we'll wrap it up. New tires. Yeah, those two are used. They came with the car. They still have some tread on them. They got a little bit of inner edge wear, but they'll be okay. But got two brand new Achilles. Not easy to find 155 13-inch tires, but I got them. So those are installed and ready to go on.
Well, that's it for this go-around. I'm sure the next time I see you, I'll have the engine pretty much completely back together. And it'll be time to start working on the bottom suspension. And then who knows, right? Almost there. Anyway, I hope you can hear me over the sound of the rain. And I'll see you next time. Take care.